So we have another tool, whiteboard.fi. This is a new website I found for teachers. So that this is the called online whiteboard. So what are the function, how it works, I will tell you. So first, when we open the website of that, then we found this interface for plus new class or join class. So we have to, whenever we have to use online whiteboard, just we need to click on new class. When we click on the new class, we should give a name. Like name should be very appropriate and very unique. Like that, you are taking your class, so type your name. Uh, Type the class first, class 5 taken by you. Write your name. Okay. Then these are the most important options that you have to enable it or you can disable it as per your convenience. Enable waiting room lobby. It means where if we are click on this, so everybody like whenever we take the class on Zoom or Teams, so there's a waiting room already. So we can enable it. So everybody students, you got a prompt, and if you got a prompt, then you will allow him. Then he will enter into the class. It's up to us for the like students for class 1 to 3, 1 to 5. You can just don't need to enable waiting room, and for rest of the class you can enable it. For the senior classes, most probably enable image upload for students. So this feature can allow the students to upload the image. How they can upload the image? If you enable it, then he is able to do upload the image in the whiteboard area. And the third option is for simple mode for students. If we enable it, it always when we have low bandwidth, low internet, so it will like to save the work, and when you submit it, then the work only submitted will automatically not submitted by by students. So when we are enable it, it means then we student done the work, then he is able to do save option and he will done that. The other one is enable slow mode. So save whiteboard button to enable to the students to do so that it can be asked. It can be easy to students to save his work, or he can use that by like saving the this project and for later for submission later. So whenever you just create a class, class 5 section A, and create a new class. When you create a new class, you will prompt a new URL. This URL need to be shared with the students. So on your, I can do that. This is how you can share the link. So like what I am doing, I'm just sharing to my number, like I shared with. So I shared a link, okay, and how it works actually. So I will open another browser. Just open that link. Joining room. It will ask to the student name. So student can type his name. Like I type B A earlier. Join whiteboard class. So when we click on the toggle, it will show that the teacher whiteboard, and this is the area where a student can work. So this is the class. Like Devara is already joined. So somehow I want to join another one. So I just open the private window and I will open it and type my name, Rahul Sharma, and join whiteboard. So like teacher will ask teacher, this is the teacher screen. So what we can do, like my whiteboard, click for teacher, and like for insert an art image or insert a background image, you can use that. Insert an image. So I'll go to my desktop and I have certain images. What we can do, we'll choose like this one, and so we ask to the students, uh, what is this? What which company's logo is this? So student will answer them. They will type. They will also draw, or you can type like this. This is the student type, and I can see in my class. Then one of the students type this. So what we can do, we can just save whiteboard, erase whiteboard, or push teacher whiteboard. Matlab, we can stop the student also, and we can remove the student. We just kick the student so he can remove from the meeting. So like this, we can use that whiteboard in very easy method. And one more thing I will tell you how will add on in this key. This is work on mobile also. This is work on the tablet also. So they can easily write on them. So I will. So in phone we can also use that whiteboard. How we can use that? We just go to the link, open the link in the browser. It will open. It will ask our name. So type our name. Like I will type only here. Join whiteboard class. So I can, like when I click on the toggle teacher, it will ask for the then logo, and student can write this by using his finger. He can write on the board. Adobe. Even he can also use the keyboard also. Or tab like this. So then we can edit it. I draw the polygon. We can just draw a polygon here. It will work like this. We want to erase something, we just go back and go to the eraser, and you can use that eraser option. Give the side of eraser, and you can easily, the student can also erase his screen also if something is wrong. So this is the way we can use that whiteboard, and very easy. Thank you for today's session. So in the last, we just want to share some important things here. In the setting button, when you are just entering in the class, the setting button, there are some option is enable waiting room lobby. So students can wait in the lobby. When you enable it, then he will enter into the class. Yeah. If you want nobody else After the completion of students, you can click on the lock room. So nobody will enter now in the class. The lock is room and like enable students image upload that we talked about earlier. If we enable it, then for simple and more students, so it will be easy. If you want to hide names, students, so students' name will hide from the screen. And if you want to clear all whiteboards, you can just simply click clear all whiteboards. So it will wipe all the data of the student. And you can save all whiteboard as PDF, so you can save it. You ask to the include teacher whiteboard also, and we will take a name like we were talking about. This is demo, save as PDF. The PDF is saved like this.